Adaptive learning. Adaptive learning offers a personalized path for learning based on student needs. Adaptive learning utilizes technology to create a differentiated, individualized learning plan for each student. Technology analyzes student abilities and delivers appropriate activities and supports to enhance student experience with learning to ensure student understanding and progress. The adaptive learning platform that I chose to explore was ScoopPad. ScoopPad aligns with Common Core standards and focuses on the mastery of skills for grades kindergarten through 8. ScoopPad has been recognized as the world's leading adaptive learning platform by the nonprofit education research firm EdSurge and reputed global market research firm HTF. ScoopPad offers a wide range of user access platforms. It's compatible with Apple, Android, Google, and Windows, with an expansion to Kindle and Nook on the horizon. The platform is also available at a variety of plans and a variety of price points, even a free option. I really liked that ScoopPad is research-based. The creators of ScoopPad use cognitive science, learning science, and data science to mold and shape the learning platform. A panel of Stanford University researchers advised in the creation and development of the platform. ScoopPad is continuously adapting to the student, delivering individualized diagnostic assessments, enrichment and remediation activities, and final assessments to gauge student learning and understanding. ScoopPad delivers instruction using spiraling and spacing methods, which promote better long-term learning. This innovative delivery of technology differs from conventional learning of concepts in a sequence or streak. This adaptive learning module couldn't be any more relevant than it is right now in regards to our current events and the immediate futures of our schools. With the COVID-19 pandemic, adaptive learning is more prevalent now than ever before. Our school has announced that we will be learning virtually for the beginning of the school year, with possibly no end in sight. Exploring adaptive learning platforms will help to individualize remote instruction to help meet the needs of all students virtually. I like that ScoopPad offers real-time adjustments to learning instruction, support, and activities. This platform continues to work day and night, adjusting to the needs of each individual student. This simulates what the teacher would be doing in the classroom, in person. This program would be a great support to teachers who are beginning the year fully virtual. This program is incredibly individualized. Students' needs can be met in real time through this platform. The teacher can also monitor student progress in each content area to determine student deficits and gains. Overall, ScoopPad seems like a wonderful platform that could really engage students and promote growth and knowledge acquisition, especially given the mass amount of virtual learning that is necessary during this global pandemic.